This may seem like an average Pakistani wedding reception. The groom is cheerful, the bride nervous and shy, the festivities exuberant and loud. But the groom isn't your average Pakistani man. Having spent 5 years in Guantanamo Bay, he is only now beginning to return to normal life, and his wedding is a sign that things are finally beginning to look up for him. But the past continues to haunt him, especially at night. Often, 32-year-old Saad Iqbal finds himself startled awake by nightmares about the 5 years he spent in Guantanamo Bay, the US prison in Cuba.
ऐसे अल्फाज नहीं हैं जो मैं कह सकूं या अदा कर सकूं अपने मुंह से.
Iqbal was arrested in Jakarta in 2002. He told a US military tribunal that he had gotten involved with the hardline Islamic Defenders Front. He was labeled an enemy combatant. He was first flown to Cairo, then a US military base in Afghanistan, and finally Guantanamo. Records indicate the United States did not consider him a serious threat. He was finally released without charges and returned home to Lahore, Pakistan in August 2008.
कि मेरे कान से, नाक से और मुंह से खून आ रहा था और मैं शदीद अज़ियत से दो-चार हो रहा था और 3 दिन से मुसलसल शदीद अज़ियत में था.
Doctors say he had a severe infection in his left ear, had difficulty walking, and was heavily dependent on antidepressants and antibiotics.
Was it itchy? Not itchy.
Iqbal says his health problems developed as a result of torture he suffered while imprisoned. Much of what he claims has not been independently verified, but Iqbal did tell the military tribunal that he tried to commit suicide.
ज़हनी तौर पर कुरान पाक की बेहुरमती की वजह से और कुरान पाक को पखाने में फेंका जाता, कुरान पाक के कागज़ जो हैं वो फाड़ कर और उसको पेशाब खाने में बहाया जाता और कुरान पाक के ऊपर गालियाँ लिखकर कैदियों में तकसीम किया जाता.
US military and intelligence officials deny torturing Iqbal, but the doctors who first saw him on his return say his injuries were almost certainly the result of torture. After months of being treated, his doctor says he is slowly recovering.
You may call me at that time on the telephone and get my advice.
Iqbal is suing the US government for detaining him without evidence and torturing him during imprisonment. He is trying to gather finances to mount an effective defense. A year ago, US President Barack Obama banned the use of torture and promised to close Guantanamo this month. But he has since said the United States will not make that deadline. Pakistan's foreign minister says 62 out of the 67 Pakistani detainees held at Guantanamo Bay have been released. Despite the large number of detainees from this country, the government has no plans of setting up a rehabilitation program for them. Iqbal copes by reading the Quran. He says he is dedicating his life to the teaching of Islam. He says his marriage has given him hope that he can now live a more normal life.
Now I feel like I born again. I going to start my new life, and I'm very excited and very happy for that.